Well, look who is in my kitchen. I'm so excited I can't stand it. This is my good friend Jacq Davis, my great contact in Phoenix, who has taken me all over Phoenix, meeting all the most wonderful gardeners. And she is in my kitchen today cooking up
sugarcane chicken kebab.
Sugarcane chicken kebab. And what I told her what I had in my garden that was ripe that we could use. And I said, I have sugarcane, I have passion fruit, I have shallot, I have, what else are we using of mine? Anything in this?
I think that was it for this one.
For this one. And she knows I love dishes with, this is Hawaiian influence, right?
This has Hawaiian influence. It's originally a more Vietnamese dish.
Yeah, I love Asian dishes. I love Hawaiian dishes. The flavor of the sweet and sour, I absolutely adore. So we're gonna whip this up and you're gonna get to see this gal cook again in my kitchen. So stay tuned. So the first thing that Jacq is going to do is mix up her chicken mixture.
So we're going to put the ground chicken in the bowl first. Then we'll add a little bit of breadcrumb. This is 1 cup worth of breadcrumb. We're using the brown coconut sugar. We'll have 3 tablespoons of this. 2 tablespoons of the passion fruit juice from Kaye's garden. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of mirin. 2 cloves of minced garlic. And about 1 teaspoon of minced ginger. Salt and pepper. And we'll mix it all up. Make sure to massage it. It helps to blend all the ingredients together better. This is coming together really well now, about 2 minutes of mixing. And we'll let this chill and marinate in the fridge while we go and prepare our sugarcane skewer. This sugarcane peeler is ordered from Thailand and it has a really sharp edge here for cutting and chopping. And then this side is just like any of the vegetable peeler, like potato peeler, vegetable peeler. So it's really good for dealing with sugarcane harvest. So to help handle the sugarcane better, we're going to peel the skin first. And then once that's done, we'll use the knife to chop the sections that we need to make the skewers.
So is the skin the toughest part of the sugar cane?
Yes.
Okay.
And the nodules. But they are slightly easier to peel when they're fresh. So this, because it's a couple days old, the skin has dried off. So they're a little tougher. But that's no problem. So the sugarcane skewers, when it's heated up in the grill or barbecue and you have meat wrapped around it, the sugary juice kind of seep into the meat and whatever you wrap around it, and it adds extra flavor. I'm taking a little more of this tough outer skin off, which will make it easier to make the skewers.
So basically you're taking the heart of the piece and making uniform skewers
Yes.
with it. Yeah.
Then we'll wrap the chicken meat around it. So they're like little lollipops. There we are.
And we just have to remind people you don't eat the sugar cane
You can chew on it.
because it's fiber.
It's very fibrous. We'll make sure you adhere to the sugarcane well so it doesn't fall apart, and create like semi-flat surface so it will cook well on the pan. So we just made 8 skewers, and we think that will fit in this pan nicely, so that's where we'll begin with. So work right on the griddle or grill.
Because it makes those nice little
The
cook
grill
marks.
marks.
Yeah.
Make it real pretty. We're making a little salad to go with our sugarcane chicken kebab. Red cabbage,
Red pepper.
and we're going to also put in a little bit of carrots. The dressing will be really simple. We'll have olive oil, apple cider vinegar, sesame oil, salt and pepper, and a little bit of the Peking pepper from Arizona, but grown in late bloomer garden.
And tomato.
And tomato.
Late bloomer tomatoes.
Yes.
Wonderful. Jacq, you're such a good mincer and chopper, but there is a good reason to chop vegetables in different size pieces, right?
Yes. So we're basically creating a texture here that is very crunchy, but if the tomatoes were in big chunks, you'll have this crunchy texture with like a sudden burst of squish, you know, and it's harder to eat. So when you're prepping these, you want to think about how convenient it is for the person eating it, if it's going to be a problematic bite, or You can chop it up really fine, mixing it together really well so they can get all the flavors and ingredients in one bite.
Wow, that's a great way to put it.
I was checking to make sure they didn't hurt me. They're a little burnt. So we added passion fruit and brown sugar to give it a little bit of a tropical flavor.
Okay. We are going to try this now. This looks absolutely fantastic. Chicken drumsticks? No. What are they called?
Sugar cane chicken skewers.
Mmm. Mmm.
The flavor
Ginger, garlic,
really...
soy sauce. Mmm. And the sweet.
The sweetness from the brown coconut sugar and
that is so good. You've got to try this recipe. We've also got a great little side salad she's made. And try that. Mmm. Mmm. So good. Mmm. Thanks so much for watching this channel, liking my videos, and especially sharing them with your friends. Look in the description below for ways to support this channel, including ordering a new Late Bloomer t-shirt, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. And if you enjoyed this one, why not try these? If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video.